Okay, so we are recording. Okay. Hi guys, this is Dr. Satish Alavandar, and the date today is the 19th of June 2020. So this is day one of a second round of lockdown in Chennai. And because of this lockdown, I'm not going to my clinic and pretty much jobless. So I thought I'll just do something fun and share a little bit of experience with you guys. So a little bit of background. Um, I'm a prosthodontist, and I have never used the rubber dam before 2014. And due to certain force of circumstances, I was forced to start using rubber dams in 2014 because of my profession, and I had to kind of learn how to use rubber dams, clamps, everything from scratch, all on my own. So I did a lot of mistakes. I committed a lot of mistakes. I learned from those mistakes. Um, Unfortunately, I didn't have anyone to teach me what was right and what was wrong. I had to learn all these by myself. I adopted a lot of unorthodox habits, uh, which may really trigger some rubber dam purists among you. So this is purely a filtration of the experiences that I've had over the past 6 years, and I hope that this this kind of helps someone else who's starting off with rubber dam. So one of the biggest hurdles for anyone to adopt rubber dam into their daily practice um, is the cost involved. Um, a lot of rubber dam kits are available. You have rubber dam kits from Colteen, you have rubber dam kits from KSK, you have rubber dam kits from Hugh Freddie, and most of these kits are priced uh, at a point which is, a little uncomfortable for a regular practitioner to adopt. What I would like to present here is a buyer's guide, sort of, which would help you to assemble a rubber dam kit for less than 5,000 rupees, or about 5,000 rupees, or maybe a little more. Okay, it depends upon what you want to, pick and choose from what I'm suggesting here. So I'll be suggesting a few websites. Please understand that I'm not being paid by any of these people. These are just websites from which I have purchased uh, stuff myself. I find them convenient to use. Some of these websites are for physical stores, and if you are from that particular city, you could actually go to that store and get stuff from them. So to start off, let me see. The first website that I would suggest you go to. Okay, the first website that I would suggest you go to is Vijay Dental Depot. Okay, so Vijay Dental Depot kind of is a exclusive dealer for Hugh Freddie, and Hugh Freddie. I am kind of partial to Hugh Freddie because these were the clamps that I first used to start. That I used to learn rubber damology back in 2014, and so I'm a little partial to these clamps, but these clamps are around 750 rupees a piece, maybe a little expensive for some, but I will give you some alternates later on. But if your budget permits, please go for Hugh Freddie rubber dam clamps. They will pay you back for your investment. Okay, they are really good, high quality rubber dam clamps. They are recommended by a lot of senior dentists. I would highly recommend them, but this would be my first recommendation. If you are going, if you could spend a little bit more, this should be the rubber dam clamps that you should buy. So most of your isolation can be done with 4 clamps. Okay, so let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, fine, great. Okay, so most of your isolation can be done with 3 clamps. Number 2, 3, 4 and number 2 and 2. Okay, so most of your molars can be isolated with either number 3 or number 4. Most of your premolars can be isolated with the number 2. And suppose you want to do isolation for some anteriors, or you want to do some isolation for class 5 fillings, 2 and 2 will be more than enough. So for 95% of the cases you won't need anything more than these 4 clamps. I have actually suggested wingless clamps here because again I personally feel that wingless clamps are a lot more easier to use for a beginner as compared to winged clamps. So I'm suggesting wingless clamps here. The same clamps are also available in a winged design. So it is up to you. The price is not different. The price is the same. So you could choose a winged clamp or a wingless clamp, doesn't matter. But the 4 clamps that you will need to manage 90% of the cases is number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 2 and 2. These are the 4 clamps that you will need. So all these 4 clamps together will cost you around 3016. Hu-Friedy also sells a separate rubber dam clamp set. This is a set of I think around 7 clamps. They sell it for around 5000 rupees. I think they sell it for around 5000 rupees. When looking at this and looking at the kit, you might feel I get 7 clamps for 5000 rupees. You're asking me to buy just 4 clamps for 3000. You might feel that there is no value. The problem with the kit or any kit that is sold by any brand is that you will end up not using almost 50% of the clamps that are there in the kit. You'll probably use 2-3 as your daily drivers, and the rest of them will just lie there and you'll probably never use them. This is what has happened. I actually have personally bought the Hu-Friedy clamp set, and unfortunately none of these clamps are available in that set, and I later on went and bought these clamps, and now I'm literally not using most of the clamps in that set. I rarely use them. I kind of find an excuse to use those clamps, say when these clamps are in the autoclave or something like that. I use those clamps. Otherwise these 4 clamps are my daily drivers. 95% of the cases can be isolated using these 4 clamps. Okay, so the problem here of course is that 754 rupees may be a little expensive. Spending 3000 rupees on this may again be assumed on just 4 clamps may be a little expensive for some, but okay, so I would like to give you some alternatives also. So going to alternatives. Okay, so we're back. As an alternative to Hu-Friedy, if you're looking for something a little more cost effective, I would suggest this website, dentmark.com, where they sell clamps under their own brand name. The same 4 clamps again, number 4, number 3, number 210 and number 2. It's sold as number 2A here. Number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 210. Okay, these clamps are around 350 each, and probably half the cost of what you would be spending for Hu-Friedy. Apart from this, they also sell pretty nice rubber dam punch for around 1420, a pretty nice plastic rubber dam frame for 385 rupees, and also rubber dam forceps for 1420. So totally this comes to around 4625. So again, for the price, for the cost of less than what you would charge for a molar RCT, you could actually buy an entire rubber dam kit, okay, minus the rubber dam sheets of course. So now coming to talk about rubber dam sheets, what the only sheet that I would ever recommend are made by Sanctuary. These are not expensive at all. You probably can get sheets that are about 100 rupees, 200 rupees, less than these. Please don't buy them. These are the only sheets you have to buy. There are more expensive sheets from other brands, which I'll not mention here, which are not even half as good as how good these sheets are. Just buy any medium gauge, any color sheet from Sanctuary. These are latex sheets. They are not non-latex sheets. They are latex sheets. They are extremely good. They do not tear easily. One of the main reasons that most people get put off by using the rubber dam is that every time they put a clamp inside the rubber dam and try to put it on the tooth, the rubber dam tears. Okay, these I've never had a situation where a Sanctuary sheet has failed when I was using it on a patient. Of course, I would have to follow certain protocols of using the sheet properly, but these are the best latex rubber dam sheets you can buy. A pack of around 36 sheets, I guess, 6 by 6 dimension. They come for around 800 rupees, and they are the only sheets you should consider as of now. If you want to buy something better, you could go buy Nictone or buy non-latex rubber dam sheets from Sanctuary, but I've really not. If cost is the main criteria for you here, then stick to these sheets. If you're going to say other lower cost sheets, say from GDC or something, they're going to be about 200 rupees less, and they are going to be basically they will tear easily, and it is just more work for you. So just spend your money here and you're done. So probably coming, where was it before? Yeah, here, Dental Cart. I mean Dentmark, not Dental Cart. Dentmark. From Dentmark, you could probably buy these rubber dam clamps, a rubber dam forceps, a rubber dam punch, a plastic rubber dam frame. Call it a day at 4,625 rupees plus 800 rupees for a set of rubber dam sheets from Sanctuary, and you're done. You can start practicing rubber damology from tomorrow in your clinic. Now, that said, there are a few more value added purchases that you could do and few alternatives that I would like to suggest. First is this foldable rubber dam frame. Say if you are someone who does a lot of endo, this will be a great boon to you. Every time you want to take an x-ray or something like that, you don't have to dismantle the entire rubber dam assembly. You just have to fold the frame, insert the sensor or film, shoot, get the frame back in position and start working. Okay, this is a great I think there is one from Hager also, which is significantly more expensive, but I actually have this frame and almost use it for all my cases, restorative, endo, everything. This is my go-to frame, so I would suggest this frame as an alternative to the plastic frame that was there on Dentmart. And what else? This is a great website, ident.in, where they sell a lot of rubber dam related accessories. You can just have a look at the website. Their rubber dam clamps are quite expensive, I think around 1,200 per set. They sell kits that are around 13,000, 17,000, 20,000. This is the reason why a lot of people are put off by buying rubber dam kits. So for 4,625 rupees you can buy your entire rubber dam armamentarium. For 800 your rubber dam sheets, and start practicing. Suppose you don't want to buy the plastic frame here, which is around 385 rupees. You could spend a little bit more if you don't mind. Get the foldable rubber dam frame from here. Apart from this, say you wanted to buy GDC clamps, which are around 420 rupees a piece. You could go to dentalcart.com. The same number of clamps, clamp number 2, 3, 4 and 212. If you don't get 212, get 210. That will be sufficient for most of your anterior isolations. Okay, so this should be it. This is by no means a very comprehensive kit that you can use for all cases. As I said, this can be used for 95% of the cases. There are clamps that you can slowly add on to your kit as you get more comfortable using the rubber dam. Most people will start using a rubber dam on a molar, so your number 3 and number 4 clamps should be more than enough for those. You can even use these clamps to isolate an entire arch. Put a number 3 on one side, put a number 4 on the other side, punch 14 holes, and you can actually literally isolate an entire arch. Because I have done this at the beginning when I was first doing rubber dam isolation. You could probably buy 2 number 2 clamps and do a premolar to premolar isolation, and invert your rubber dams on all the teeth in the middle. So there are a lot of things that you can actually do with just these 4 clamps. So you do not have to spend a lot of money. You do not have to spend 10,000 rupees to buy a pre-assembled kit. You can buy and assemble your own kit. Okay, buy what you need and buy what you will use. Do not I see a lot of people going out and buying full kits from a single brand. Not helpful at all. It's not going to help you at all, because half the clamps in the kit you're not going to know how to use them, or you're probably not going to use them at all. For example, the Hufredi kit has a number 8 clamp which I've never used till date, until recently, where I found a very weird use for it. More about that in a later video. But what is the point of spending money on stuff that you're not going to use? So buy these 4 clamps to start with. Buy a good rubber dam frame. A foldable frame will suffice for almost all your procedures. I have not had the need to buy a metal frame, the U-shaped metal frame. I have not felt the need for it, but I still plan to buy one of them. The foldable frame will be more than sufficient for all your purposes. Get any rubber dam punch or a rubber dam forceps that is of a decent build quality. You don't have to spend 10,000 rupees, 9,000 rupees on a rubber dam forceps or a rubber dam punch, because I've seen people selling it for that price. Okay, so where you have to spend your money is on the rubber dam clamps and your rubber dam sheets. These are the 2 main things that will make your work easier. The cheaper, for example, the Dentmark clamps, I have a few clamps from them. They are kind of stiff compared to the Hufredi clamps that I use. A similar comparison between clamps from Dentmark or GDC when compared to clamps from Coltene. Okay, so again, Coltene clamps are quite expensive. It's absolutely up to you if you want to invest in something a little bit more expensive, but I would say that spend your money judiciously, and you'll be good to go. So this is my first video on this particular topic. I've become kind of obsessed with using the rubber dam for everything. uh, my previous video was about using a rubber dam to isolate and prepare an entire crown. I have now kind of uh, uh, started using the rubber dam for almost any preparation. I have prepared veneers, I have prepared first molars, premolars, anteriors, anything and everything with the rubber dam, with rubber dam isolation. So I have a bunch of videos about this, but they are very rough, and I am still looking to shoot better videos of those procedures so that it can be helpful to all of you. So please subscribe to my channel, please like the video, please comment your criticisms, like the video if you like it, if you don't like the video, dislike it. I'm really open to any suggestions that you guys can give me. I'm pretty new to this, so great. A video after a very long time, and all it took was a global pandemic to get me in front of the camera.